everybody. It's Pam. Hopefully my beard isn't shining too much from the sun. So I had to walk to the mailbox and get a package. So I ordered some stuff from Walmart, and I ordered 3 different things, and they sent them all in 3 separate packages. I'm not sure why, but I didn't want to drive, and I thought I could get some exercise, so I'm sprinting. This is me sprinting to the mailbox and back. But there's just something really creepy about the wind, and the wind is like making weird noises. And I made the mistake of watching. I love to watch crime shows, documentaries, and I just watched this one that was on this guy. His name is Ed Gein, and oh boy, he's a real doozy. I don't know why I'm afraid like somebody's chasing me. It's so stupid, but I just have a vivid imagination, and you probably can't even hear me because the wind is blowing so hard today, and we're going to be in the 30s tonight, like low 30s. I gotta get my little aloe vera plants covered, but they will freeze to death. All right. Oh boy. All right. It's uphill both ways. The wind is in my face, blowing sand. There's a lot of sand out here. So, okay. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Oh my gosh. I made it. There's dirt blowing everywhere, so I got my face covered with my bandana. Thank goodness I brought it. Yay, I made it. That looks yummy, doesn't it? I'm fixing to put that right there. Oh, my back is broken.